folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, this is the project that we're going to be starting to work on while we're down here for the remainder of our time. Down here in the good old state of Tennessee. This is a gully that a friend of mine wants cleaned out so that way it doesn't end up all dammed up. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is what we're going to be working on today. It goes all the way down. Goes all the way down here. All the way down this way. And all the way down there. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.